Let's talk about things that people do that sometimes annoy us. Annoying things that drive us crazy. One of those things for Mr. Robertson is chewing gum. In that way that lets everyone know that you're chewing gum. We were recently on a flight, and the passenger behind us on a flight from LA was going to town on a stick of gum. As a former flight attendant, I know one of the tricks to help you with your ears when they're popping on takeoff and landing is to chew gum. So I understood when I saw him buy a pack of Big Red from the same store I was buying magazines from. But the popping, the smacking, the noises you make, sometimes unconsciously when chewing with your mouth open. If protocol and etiquette is the subject, is chewing gum ever a good look for your brand or for your image? Is chewing gum ever appropriate? And if so, in what situations? Is it okay in an office setting, in a lobby, in an airport, on a flight, in public places, or only in private? Is there a way to do it and be appropriate? Let's look at some chewing gum protocol and perhaps turn this sometimes annoying habit into an acceptable one.